heroes! This week you are learning all about MyPlate. And just like the name implies, this is my plate. Or you know what? It could be your plate. But guess what? That's the beauty of food. We all have our own different eating style. And no matter what that eating style is, we can use MyPlate to help us get all the nutrients that our bodies need to stay healthy. So today's recipe is a really fun and easy way to do that. It helps us get all 5 food groups in just one meal. So to begin, I did wash my hands already, and I have all the ingredients here ready that I'm going to use. And just to highlight, this recipe can be adapted to your own personal eating style. So if you don't like the foods that I choose, that's okay. You can choose a different food, but just make sure that you're choosing from each of the 5 food groups. So to begin with my roll-up, I'm going to choose a whole wheat tortilla. I'm going to set that on my plate. And for my vegetable, I'm going to choose lettuce. I love lettuce leaves. And I have it washed and chopped up in this bowl already. And I also prepared a little dressing using soy sauce, rice vinegar, and some sesame seed oil. I love this flavor, so I always add it to my lettuce. Sprinkle that in and toss it around. And I do like a lot of lettuce, so I'm going to add a lot. So far I have a grain and a vegetable. Next, I'm going to add some mandarin oranges. I love these things because I love to drink the juice. Or if you have a whole orange at home, you can peel that and slice it up and put it into your wrap. Or you can choose a different fruit. All right. I think I'll just use all of them because I love them so much. Okay, so I've got grains, vegetables, fruits. My protein is actually in the oven. And it does look a little bit burnt, but actually what I did is I baked some tofu, and before I baked it, I did marinate it in some soy sauce. I'm sticking with my soy sauce theme. And what I'll do is I'll link how you can bake tofu onto our classroom. So make sure you check that out because baked tofu is really good. I do recommend it. So what I did, I cut it into strips. So I'll add a couple strips here onto our wrap. All right. What's left? I've got grains, vegetables, fruits, protein. Last one, I'm missing a dairy food. But for my dairy food, I'm going to have it on the side. But I did cut up some cubes of cheese. I love cheese. All right, food heroes, I hope you try this recipe out and you let me know how you make your sunshine roll-up at home. I'll see you next time. Oh wait, I almost forgot to roll it up. That's what makes it a roll-up. All right, you might have to squish some ingredients together if you're like me and you like to put a lot on your tortilla. And you know what, actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I would have warmed up my tortilla before I added my ingredients, but that's okay. All right. Ta-da! My sunshine roll-up. Now we have to try it. It might be a little messy. I really like the tofu. But let me know what you think of this recipe on our classroom where you can build your own sunshine roll-up. And I shouldn't talk with my mouth full of food, so don't do that. I'll see you next time.